welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I filmed for you guys my very first hair tutorial using a half a wig. They put the hair in this pretty little purple mesh bag. Inside the box it also comes with a stocking cap. I didn't use the stocking cap, but you can use it if you want. It also comes with a pair of flat irons. It also comes with a little pouch. This little pouch includes this wax stick that you can use for like your edges, some bobby pins. It came with the comb and a pair of tweezers. The wig that I'm wearing on the website is called the half a wig high density affordable human hair. Right now they are having a sale of 60% off. So I would strongly suggest you guys to go and check them out because they are having a sale. This hair is very thick, and it's thick from like the beginning to the end, and I got no shedding. The length of my hair is 20 inches. This is a half a wig, so I do have a little bit of my hair out. My hair starts right here in front of my ear, and I have my hair out up in here too. I will say the healthier your hair, the better it blends with the wig. So yeah, I think the style came out really cute. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this cute half up half down imitation style using a half a wig, keep watching. It's really easy. Now the wig, it comes with 4 clips in the front. So you can use these to clip down on your braids, and then it's 1 clip in the back, and you also have your adjustable straps to adjust it and make it tighter. And now what I'm just going to do is I'm going to put the wig on to the back where I have my braids. Let me take this out. And I flat ironed this part of my hair as well. I flat ironed it. And as you can see, I did my edges, created some little baby hairs in the front. And as you can see, I parted, this is my weave out, and I have my braids going to the back. And you just want to take the wig, I'm going to adjust the straps first. Okay, and you're going to slide your clips into your braids, and they just snap like right on.